Hello students, welcome to EDUHUNT online video classes. In previous classes, we have discussed a few concepts and then we learn sums. Now we are going to learn a new concept, that is Roman numerals. Okay students? Okay. In number system, that is Roman numerals. See here, in Roman numerals, we use only 7 digits. What are those 7 digits? I, V, X, L, C, D, M. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We use only 7 digits. By using these 7 digits, we form the numbers in Roman numerals. Okay. In Hindu Arabic numbers, see, there is a comparison between Roman numbers and Hindu Arabic numbers. It is I means 1, V means 5, X means 10, L means 50, and C means 100, D means 500, M means 1000. Did you understand, students? This table you have to remember. Otherwise, you cannot form the numbers in Roman numerals. While writing, say, 6th class, this is 6th class. By using Roman numerals, how do we write this 6th? 6th. We write like this, otherwise we write like this 6th. Okay. See how we are going to form the numbers by using Roman numerals. These are very important digits in Roman numerals. You have to remember for a longer time, otherwise you cannot form the numbers. I 1, V 5, X 10, L 50, C 100, D 500, M 1000. It's very important. Okay. We have to follow few rules to form Roman numerals. What are those rules? We are going to see now. Rules for writing Roman numerals. Here are some rules which help us in writing any Roman numeral by using the given digits. What are those given digits? Those 7 digits. Okay. The very first rule. If I placing a letter after one of the bigger value, means you have to add it. For example, I 5, 10, 50, 100, 500, 1000. These 7 letters only we use. What is the bigger number, bigger digit here? This is the bigger digit. If I exclude that digit, this is the bigger one. If I exclude these 2 digits, this is the bigger one. If I exclude these 3 digits, this is bigger one. How do we say which is bigger and which is smaller? By comparing those digits only. Already we have learned it in the comparison chapter. Okay, how do we compare? Comparison means we have to remember 3 points. First one is less than, second one is greater than, and third one is equal to. Okay, comparison means by comparing these digits only we can say that which is bigger and which is smaller. Okay, now see, placing a letter after one of the bigger values. Okay, one of the bigger values, that means we have to add it. For example, I want to write 11. How can I write? Here it is 1, 5, 10, 50, this is 100, this is 500, this is 1000. Okay. Did you understand, students? Okay, fine. Now see, I want to write 11. How can I write 11? See, here 11 can be written 10 plus 1. Why 10 plus 1? We can write 5 plus 6 also. We can write 1 plus 9 also, but we have to follow some rules to form a number in Roman numerals. Okay students, see here 11 can be written 10 plus 1. Why 10 plus 1 only? There is a number x called 10 here. There is a number x called 10 here. That's why if I write 10 plus 1 means that is 11. Easily I can write that is x. That means see, I have to put 1 to the left side or right side? Right side means adding 1. That means xi. Xi represents 11. Okay students. Let's go to the next one. See here two examples are given. In these two examples 6 is written 5 plus 1. 5 is nothing but v. If I put a smaller number which is right side of the bigger number, then we have to add both the numbers. That means 5 plus 1, that is 6 here. Now see here 17 is given here. 17 means, how can I write 17? 17 means 10. I know 10 is nothing but x. Next 5. 5 is nothing but v. And 2 I don't know. That means plus 1 I write. 5 plus 10, 15, 16, 17. That means how can I write this 10? 10 I can write x, 5 I can write v, 1 I can write I. This is nothing but 17. Okay students, same. Okay. See, let's go to the next rule. Placing a letter before the bigger value, that means you have to subtract that smaller number from the bigger number. Let's see the example. First one is 4. How can I write 4? 4 can be written 5 minus 1. 5 is nothing but v. 5 is nothing but v. That means I am subtracting 1 from bigger number. That means I have to put that 1 in Roman numerals left to the bigger number, that is iv. Iv is nothing but 4. Next one is 9. Next one is 9. 9. See here. How can I write 9? 9 can be written, this 9 can be written 10 minus 1. 10 is nothing but x, minus 1 means left to x. That is ix is nothing but 9. If I want to write 29. If I want to write 29. 29 means I can write 20 plus 9. I don't know how to write 20 in Roman numerals. I know only 1, 5, 10, 50, 100, 500 and 1000. I know only these digits. These 7 digits only I know. By using these 7 digits, I have to form numbers. Okay, 29. 20 can be written 20 plus 9. 20, there is a 10. There is no 20 in Roman numerals exactly. So, therefore, I use 10 2 times here. 10 plus 10. Okay, here 9 can be written 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1, I can write 9. See here, 10, x, x. Here, 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1, write 10. Minus 1 means left side of the 10. This is 29. Let's move on to the next rule. The letter can be repeated up to a maximum of 3 times only. 3 times only. That means only we can write a letter in Roman numerals 3 times only. We cannot write 4 times, 5 times, 6 times. Only 3 times only we can repeat. Okay. Right. See. First example is 3. 3 means 1, 1, 1. Here 30. 30 is nothing but 10, 10, 10. 40. How can I write 40? 10, 10, 10, 10. This is completely wrong. Okay. This is wrong. Why? A number or a letter can be repeated up to a maximum of 3 times. Here it repeated 4 times. That's why this is wrong answer. So, how can we write this? 40. 40 can be written 50 minus 10. Yes or no? Yes, 50 minus 10. What is 50 here? 50 is nothing but L. 10 means X. X we have to put left side of L because here subtracting. Okay students? So, okay, fine. Let's move on to the next rule. When a smaller number that has been made of 2 letters using the addition subtraction rule is combined with a larger number, the whole of the small number is written to the right of the larger one. Okay, leave the statement. Just understand the concept. 29, how can we write 29? 29 can be written, already I wrote. This is 30 minus 1. Yes or no? 30 minus 1, fine. 30 minus 1 is nothing but 29. This can be written, see, 30 means, but here 30 minus 1. Here 30 I wrote. See here, 29 can be written, 29 can be written, 20 plus 9 also. 20 can be written 10 plus 10 because I don't know exact digit for 20 here. 9 can be written 10 minus 1. See here, 10 can be written x, 9 can be written ix. Therefore, this is 29. This is 30 only. This is not 29. Okay. Now see 14. How can I write 14? I'll write over here. 14 here. 14 can be written 10 plus 4. I know the exact digit for 10, but I don't know the exact digit for 4. So, I write this 4 as 5 minus 1. 10 as 10. 10 can be represented in Roman numerals as x, and 5 minus 1 can be written 5 minus 1. This is 14. Did you understand, students? Chalo. Here VLD are never repeated. Which are never repeated? VLD. What is V? 5. L is nothing but 50. D is nothing but 500. See, 5 multiples here only. 5, 50 and 500. These are never repeated. Why never repeated? Let's see. If I want to repeat V and V, that means 5 and 5, 5 plus 5, 10. There is no need of writing V and V. Why? Because I know the digit for 10, that is x. So, no need to repeat V and V. Okay, students? Now, see L. I should not repeat L because if I write LL is nothing but 100. I know the exact value for 100, that is C. Okay, D never be repeated. Why? If I write DD is nothing but 500 plus 500, that is 1000. I know the exact value for 1000, that is M. That's why I should not, or we should not repeat VLD here. Okay, right. Next point is, see students, next point is I can be subtracted only from V and X. I can be subtracted only from V and X. See here students, if we go to the before slide, I can be subtracted only from V and X. That means, see, if I want to write 4 here, how can I write? 5 is nothing but 5 minus 1. 5 is nothing but V and I, that is 4 here. And I can be subtracted only from 10. That means, how I write 9? 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1 is nothing but 9. 10 can be written x 1. Okay, this is 9. See, x can be subtracted from L and C. X can be subtracted from L and C. L is nothing but 50. If I want to write 40, L, this is 50. That means 50 minus 10. 50 is L x. This is 40. Okay, right. And x can be subtracted from L and C. If I want to write 90, 90 can be written 100 minus 10. 100 is nothing but C. 10 means xc. This is equal to 90. Okay, students. C can be subtracted from D and M. C can be subtracted from D and M. See, what is D here? 500. And M is nothing but 1000. D is 500. This is 1000. Okay. So, this C is nothing but 100. Okay. If I subtract 500 minus 100, that is 400 only. 400 is nothing but CD. 900, nothing but CM. CM is nothing but 900. This is 1000. 1000 minus 100, 900. This is 500. 500 minus 100, that is 400. Okay. 0 cannot be represented in Roman number system. This is very, very important point. 0 cannot be represented in Roman number system. Okay. The Roman numerals I, V and X are used to write numbers from 1 to 39. Okay. From 1 to 39, 1 to 39, which Roman numbers we use? I, V, X. I, V, X. These three letters are enough to write Roman numbers. Okay, students. Okay, these three letters are enough. If I want to write 39, how can I write 39 here? 39 is nothing but, how can I write 39? 10, 20, 30. 9 means done. 39. Okay, right. Next, when a bar is used above the Roman numerals, it indicates that Roman numerals is multiplied by 1000. Okay, Roman numerals is multiplied by 1000. See, for example, this is V bar. V bar. For example, take V bar. For example, take V bar here. See, V bar is nothing but, V means 5 into, bar means into 1000. This is nothing but 5000. Okay, right. Okay, students. Did you understand these points? Okay, let's revise once. V, L, D are never subtracted. I can be subtracted only from V and X. X can be subtracted from L and C, and C can be subtracted from D and M. 0 cannot be represented in Roman number system. The numerals I, V, X are used to write the numbers 1 to 39. When a bar is used, then that means into 1000. Okay, here I will tell you very simple trick how to remember these points. See here, I, V, 1, 5, 10, 50, 100, 500, 1000. 10 means X, 50 means L, 100 means C, 500 means D, 1000 means M. See here, if you see the I means 1, V5, X10, L50, C100 and D500, M1000. Okay, see here this subtraction rule, how to remember easily. X can be subtracted from L and C. X can be subtracted from L and C. That means the next two numbers. Okay, the next two numbers. X can be subtracted from L and X can be subtracted from C. Next point, C can be subtracted from D and M. C can be subtracted. This C can be subtracted from D and M. D and M. Okay, next two digits. Next point, X can be subtracted from L and C, and C can be subtracted from D and M, and I can be subtracted only from V and X. See that point. I can be subtracted from V and X. Did you understand now? It's very simple representation. If you remember this representation, pictorial representation, it is very easy to form a number. Okay, you will not do any mistake. See here, I can be subtracted from next two digits, that is V and X. Next, X can be subtracted from L and C. Okay, C can be subtracted from D and M. See here, I can be subtracted from V and X. Here, leave V. And X can be subtracted from L and C. Leave L. C can be subtracted from D and M. Okay, here this is the simple pictorial representation. If you remember this pictorial representation, you will remember you will understand the concept and then you can form any number by using this subtraction trick. Okay students? Okay. Let's move on to the next one. Yeah. Number system. We know that 1, 2 means 1, 1, 3, 1, 1, 1, 4 means we should not write 1, 1, 1, 1. Why? Here we have to remember one rule, that is a digit cannot be repeated more than 3 times. That's why 3 is enough. Next, we go to the subtraction rule. Subtraction rule. Subtraction rule. See here, 5 minus 1, 4, that is 5 minus 1. Next 5 plus 1, 6. This is 5 plus 2. This is 5 plus 3. This is 10 minus 1. This is 10, we know that. 10 plus 1, 10 plus 2, 10 plus 3. 10 plus 4, 10 plus 5, 10 plus 6, 10 plus 7, 10 plus 8, 10 plus 9, 10, 10, 20. 30, 3 numbers. 40 XL, 50 L, 60 LX, 70 50 10 10, 80 50 10 10 10, 90 100 minus 10, 100 C, 500 D, 1000 M. This is the concept related to the Roman numerals. If you know this concept, then only you can solve the questions very easily. Otherwise, it is very difficult for you to crack the question in Roman numerals. Okay, students, this is the concept. Okay, in the next class, we do some sums. Okay, we practice some sums. Okay, students, until then, thank you. Bye-bye. Concept 5 next class
క్లాస్లో వర్క్షీట్ చెప్తా. ఇప్పుడు కొంచెం ఎడిటింగ్ పార్ట్ అనేది క్లియర్ చేశాను, ఎందుకంటే సార్ ఇన్ఫార్మ్ చేసి చెప్పారు.